Yep, I also here's the finished V4, looking really, really nice. So thanks to Air Mad King for the parts. And so it took about 6 hours so far in order to be able to find the issues. Also, I had to take the whole back off, take this piece here off, take the insoles out, find the faults, replace it, put a new connector on, all this sort of stuff. But yeah, it's all sorted. So lights are working obviously really nice, totally sweet. And then you've got the auto lacing, which is just here. Really nice. So yeah, spot on. But yeah, it's been a lot of fun, and I say it's good to get another shoe repaired as well. Yeah, look at those, absolutely lovely.